Yo, what's up everybody? It's Entrepreneurial Edge. We've come a long way from those chunky box TVs our parents had, right? I mean, remember when a 32-inch screen seemed huge? Now we're talking about TVs so thin they practically disappear on your wall, screens that roll up with the push of a button, and price tags that rival, well, yachts and mansions. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of luxury tech to explore the most expensive, the thinnest, the biggest, the most innovative TVs on the planet. Let's get started. First up, we're taking a look at a TV that practically redefines what a TV can be. This is the LG Signature OLED R, and when I say it disappears, I mean it literally rolls itself up into its base when you're not using it. Imagine. No more big black rectangle dominating your living room when you're trying to have a conversation or enjoy the view. But don't let the disappearing act fool you. This thing is packing some serious tech. We're talking 8K resolution, a 120 Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth motion, and you can even get it custom engraved. The catch? Well, it's currently only available in South Korea, and it'll set you back a cool $87,000. Alright, so maybe disappearing completely is a little too extra for you. How about a TV that's so thin it practically blends into your wall like a piece of art? That's the LG Signature OLED Wallpaper TV, and at just 3.85 millimeters thick, it's thinner than most smartphones out there. We're talking about the thickness of 2 quarters stacked on top of each other. But it's not just about the looks. This TV is also smart, with built-in Google Assistant, so you can control your entire smart home setup with just your voice. Plus, it comes with a Dolby Atmos soundbar, because what's the point of a super thin TV if you don't have amazing sound to go with it? Samsung, the wall, build your dream home theater. Now let's talk about going big, and I mean really, really big. Samsung's The Wall isn't just a TV, it's a statement. This modular masterpiece lets you create a screen as large as 292 inches. That's right, you could have a TV that takes up an entire wall of your living room, with stunning 8K resolution thanks to its micro-LED technology. We're talking deep, inky blacks, vibrant colors, and an immersive viewing experience that's unlike anything else. Of course, all this customization and cutting-edge tech comes at a price. While Samsung hasn't publicly released an exact figure, you can bet it's going to cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars to bring the wall home. Titan Zeus. Is this even a TV anymore? Okay, hold on to your hats because things are about to get wild. The Titan Zeus makes the wall look like a smartphone. This absolute behemoth boasts a 370-inch screen. Let me put that in perspective for you. That's over 26 feet wide and 16 feet tall. It's bigger than an elephant. And it's not just about size, the Titan Zeus packs a 4K resolution and even comes with weatherproof options, in case you want to install it in your backyard for some reason. But here's the thing, this TV weighs almost a ton. That's right, a literal ton. So unless you have a team of engineers on standby, you're going to have a hard time even getting this thing installed. Oh, and did I mention the price tag? A cool $1.7 million. Prestige HD Supreme Rose Edition diamonds are this TV's best friend. And now for the grand finale, the TV that makes all other TVs look like budget options. This is the Prestige HD Supreme Rose Edition, and it's not just a TV, it's a work of art. Designed by Stuart Hughes, the mastermind behind some of the most over-the-top luxury products in the world, this TV is dripping in diamonds and gold. We're talking 61 pounds of solid 18-karat gold, 72 flawless diamonds, amethyst, sunstone, and even alligator skin trim. Because why not? All this luxury will set you back a staggering $2.25 million. But hey, if you're looking for a slightly more affordable option, there's always the budget version, the Supreme Rose Edition, which ditches some of the gold and diamonds for a mere $1.5 million. So, which TV would you choose? From rollable screens to gold-plated luxury, these TVs redefine home entertainment. It's clear that when it comes to pushing the boundaries of technology and design, the sky's the limit. If you could have any of these TVs, which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Entrepreneurial Edge for more explorations into the world of luxury and innovation.